If you're looking for a vibrant and diverse neighborhood full of gorgeous Victorian homes, then Elmwood might be the spot for you. Elmwood is home to residents from over a dozen different countries around the world. And if you need to pick up dinner after work, you can choose from Caribbean, African, Latin American, Cambodian, you name it. Elmwood really started developing in the mid-1800s, and here you'll find lots of Victorian, Colonial Revival, and Queen Anne style homes. Keep your eyes peeled for slate roofs, gorgeous porches, and really vivid Victorian color schemes. Elmwood is a wonderful neighborhood, and it's essential to diversity in Providence. There's a great mix of large and small houses here, and prices can vary street by street. We're just a couple minutes south of downtown Providence, and you can get there on either Broad Street or Elmwood Avenue. And on Elmwood Avenue is the Knight Memorial Library, which is a fantastic neighborhood feature. While a lot of modern updates like central air and whole house renovations can be rare in Elmwood, you can find really nice houses with beautiful yards and generous carriage houses too. Elmwood is a really special neighborhood. We've got great access to downtown Providence and to the west side of Providence, which is going to be our next feature neighborhood.